Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. That's fast. So Daniel's out here playing with his little Father's Day gift. Ooh. Anyways, he's been saying he's wanted that for a while, so I got it for him for Father's Day. And now on this beautiful Saturday, it's 7:33. And we're just outside when he's playing with his little toy. But yeah, I'm not sure what else we're gonna do for the rest of the day. We went on a date earlier. Our first date. Huh? Alright. We went on our first date in like forever because of COVID. And yeah, it was fun. And then as soon as we got back home, right after, we took a nap because we have been working hard. So yeah, I don't really know what to talk about, guys. Maybe this will end up being like a little vlog instead of like I don't know. Yeah, vlog. What the heck? That's a issue, babe. How long has it been like this? Forever? Somebody could fall in there. The heck? We need to fix that. So, I'm about to show you guys the other stuff that Kylie and I got Daniel for Father's Day, and yeah. So, I got him this face brush cleanser thing. This is the front. Here's what it is. It's called Cora 3, and that's so crazy because when I gave it to him like a couple days before Father's Day, and he looked at it. He was like, "Oh, Cora," and then we're like, "Oh, yeah." And if you guys didn't know, well, you guys wouldn't know. My middle name is Cora Ann, so that's why. I don't know. That's just like a coincidence that the thing is called Cora, or I don't know, whatever. But yeah, my name's Cora Ann, so we just thought it was kind of funny and cool that the thing is called Cora 3. But yeah, so this, it has like the cleansing and exfoliating and the silicone brush and yada yada yada, and like the different types of, I don't know, functions It's water resistant, it says. And then also, I got him a card. This is so funny. So, here is the front of the card. It says, picking your Father's Day present forced me to make a tough choice. And then the inside says, right nostril or left. And then when you open it, I can't do it with my, it's like, babe, can you help me? Because I'm trying to do this and I can't do it with.
Let me toss this stuff in the water.
Alright, so I think this is so hard to do, but basically you open it, you keep opening, close it. Hold up, maybe if I do it like this. Like that. I just think this is so funny. But yeah, that's what I got him. And then Kylie got him this one. It says, Dad, I was going to buy you an amazing Father's Day gift, but then I thought you've already got me. What more could you want? So yeah, Kylie got him that. And that's what Kylie and I got him for Father's Day. He's really an amazing father, an amazing husband, and I just love him so much. I love you, babe. So now we're just gonna get on with the day, or the rest of the day. Like I said, I don't know what else we're gonna do for the rest of the day because it's already kind of so late. It's about to be 8 o'clock. So, yeah. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, just hit that subscription button. It's free. It's not gonna cost you a dime or a penny or anything. It's free. Just hit that subscription button and join the family. Peace out.